Reclaim is a business opportunity. How eco-friendly solutions respond to the Belizean need for wastewater treatment and nutrient management. Engineers and entrepreneurs around the world are developing novel methods and technologies to sustainably conserve, reuse, and harvest water, energy, and nutrients from wastewater, a once considered environmental pollutant. Meet Mr. Luis Garcia, a Belizean entrepreneur pioneering eco-friendly solutions. Mr. Garcia has installed and serviced numerous decentralized wastewater systems throughout Belize, which reclaim water and nutrients from households and businesses for productive reuse.
The systems that we have designed and are installing at this time are made of polyethylene tanks. Pretty much what we make them into a biodigester where the sludge goes down, the scum floats, and the sort of clarified water passes that is in the middle, passes through a filter before it comes out. It then passes through a gravel filter, which is pretty much whatever native stones are in the area that we are installing, we would do that. So there's a reaction as well and a more clarification. The water comes out of that system, then is put into a self-sustained garden. The water is pretty much reusable for that kind of gardening. Only underground irrigation or direct to the root system. If we add air and we do a disinfection through UV light or liquid oxygen, then what we would do is we can actually use it even with a hose through irrigation. The sludge that's built up in the first tank, the biodigester, and that sludge you can dehydrate it very easily. And once it's dehydrated, you can use it in your garden as well.
To examine the challenges and opportunities of implementing these wastewater systems, we consider the case of Placencia Peninsula, a narrow isthmus on the southeastern coast of Belize, where residents, entrepreneurs, and various stakeholders have raised concerns about wastewater and nutrient management. With rapid growth in the tourism industry since 2001, including a recently approved cruise ship project, the suitability of existing on-site systems to meet demands of an increasing population and tourism flow is being called into question.
Recent surveys indicate a breadth of wastewater treatment practices on the peninsula. In a few cases, effluent is disposed directly into local water bodies, whereas some businesses and resorts utilize packaged wastewater treatment systems, which discharge treated effluent at standards set by the government of Belize. However, the vast majority of residents use two-chamber plastic or concrete septic systems that discharge partially treated effluent through leach fields or soak pits. Consequently, the combination of permeable sandy soils and a high water table result in minimal filtration of effluent before being discharged into surrounding waterways. Several solutions to address the issue of wastewater management on the peninsula have been proposed, including a $12.5 million project supported by the government of Belize in partnership with the Inter-American Development Bank to construct an integrated water and wastewater treatment system. However, some residents are concerned with the infrastructural specifications and the socioeconomic and environmental impacts of the proposed system, and are seeking out environmentally amenable yet cost-effective decentralized systems as alternatives.
The biggest barrier is the traditional way of doing things, where people pretty much just dump raw sewer into the sun or into the sea. But now with the population growth, of course, that's not acceptable anymore. And the cultural thing is, once it doesn't flow back into your house, you don't have a septic problem. So educating and convincing people that you are creating a problem by just flushing it down to the sun has been pretty difficult to do. Even the authorities are having a major problem with that. So that is one of the issues. The other issue is our system would be some sort probably for 30% a little more expensive than the traditional septic tanks. And also the idea of understanding, why am I going to have a garden? Why can't I just have sun? I just dump it underneath into a soakaway. And that has been the challenge, is to tell people the garden is part of the treatment. Those are our challenges of doing that. We don't like selling over-the-shelf products. We prefer to question people. We do a site visit, and we pretty much look at the terrain you have, the water around you, what can we do with the wastewater, and then we recommend what system would be best for them, so we can grow to wherever they want, but getting the right information is crucial.